Just listed a townhome in Eagle Springs, a master plan community located in Humble, Texas. This home features a backyard retreat, full privacy fence, spacious open concept design, large seated island with granite countertops, backsplash, undermount lighting, deep storage closet here, half bath here. Flex space upstairs could be used as a game room, open office, or anything that best suits your lifestyle. Large primary bedroom with ensuite, granite countertops, soaker tub, glass enclosed shower, deep walk-in closet. Spacious spare bedrooms connected to a Jack and Jill bathroom. 2-car garage with plenty of storage and a convenient fold-away weight rack. Amenities include multiple parks, soccer fields, pools, fitness center, stocked fishing pond, recreational center, volleyball courts, tennis and pickleball, and 2 baseball fields. Call us today for tours.